Let me introduce our advanced KLT container washing system, a complete solution for efficient washing, rinsing and drying, designed to deliver consistent cleanliness and process reliability. Engineered for maximum efficiency, the system reduces media and chemical usage through optimized tank size, high-performance filtration and effective thermal insulation, minimizing the need for frequent bath replacement. With dual lanes and end-adjustable belt, it handles KLT containers, lids and inserts of various sizes, all in one streamlined process. The adjustable conveyor speeds allows full control over throughput, adapting easily to your production demands. A retail conveyor enables single operator handling, improving productivity and reduce labor costs. Process data monitoring ensures full control and operational safety throughout every stage. Its ergonomic design provides easy access to all key components, including sprays, manifolds, filters, and tanks. For fast, hassle-free maintenance, the KLT washing system, built for performance, designed for efficiency.